Welcome, today in front of me Motorola Moto G50, and I'll show you how to customize quick launch on this device. So first you should go to the settings and scroll down to the system section. Now just go here to the gestures, and here we got the double press power key section. We can gesture launch camera by double press power key, as can you see. And now, for example, we'll change it to the launch the assistant. Just tap here on this section and switch it here to the launch assistant. Also, you can just switch it to the none. For example, now we'll try. Yes, can you see our Google Assistant is activated? So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.